Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the TOEFL exam. First, it's crucial to understand the four main sections: reading, listening, speaking, and writing. Each section tests different English language skills. Next, familiarize yourself with the test format and the specific types of questions you'll encounter. This knowledge helps you prepare more effectively. Finally, create a realistic study schedule. Consistent, focused effort over time is far more effective than cramming. To boost your score, focus on core strategies. Expand your vocabulary daily. Aim for 10 to 15 new words. Practice active listening by engaging with English podcasts, news, or shows for at least 30 minutes each day. This improves comprehension and helps you catch key details. Also, develop strong note-taking skills. Efficiently jotting down important information during the listening and reading sections can significantly aid your recall and response accuracy. Consistent practice is key to success. Use official TOEFL practice materials to get familiar with authentic questions and the test's difficulty level. Make sure to take full-length mock tests under timed conditions at least once a week. This simulates the actual exam environment and helps build stamina. After each practice test, thoroughly review your answers. Understand why you made mistakes and focus on improving those specific areas. On test day, ensure you get a good night's sleep. Being well-rested helps you stay focused and perform your best. Arrive at the test center early with all required identification to avoid any last-minute stress. Remember to manage your time wisely during each section and stay calm. And hey, if you're looking for ways to make your daily routine smoother, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.